Assalamualaikum. Hai semua, apa khabar? Today we are going to continue where we left off with the previous video of Jangan in part 1. If you haven't studied that, I advise that you study the part 1 first before continuing with today's lesson. Previously, we have studied the word jangan when it is used with a verb, and also when it is not only used with a verb, but also when it is extended with a reason, which is in Malay, we call it as sebab. That version of jangan, we have got it covered. Today's word of jangan does not convey the same meaning as the previous one when the word jangan is repeated. Now, it is used when you assume something has happened without a clear idea or proof. It is like a guess or belief that we consider true even if we don't have strong proof. We use jangan-jangan to make decisions or form opinions. Let's practice pronouncing this word. Jangan, jangan, jangan-jangan, jangan-jangan. The word jangan-jangan also has a synonym. Entah, entah, entah-entah, entah-entah. You could replace entah-entah with jangan-jangan and it still carry the same meaning. Today we will study 4 dialogues and we will practice them together. Let's check out the first one. The dialogue is between a boss and an employee. Kenapa Ali tak datang hari ni? Kenapa Ali tak datang hari ni? Why Ali didn't turn up today? Kenapa means why. Ali is a male name. Tak datang means did not come or did not turn up. Hari ni, today. Jangan-jangan dia ambil MC tak? Jangan-jangan dia ambil MC tak? Perhaps he has taken a sick leave. Jangan-jangan, perhaps. Dia means he or she, but in this case, I assume it is a he. Ambil means has taken. Ambil is written with a K at the ends as we pronounce it in spoken Malay. Ambil with L is the proper Malay. MC, a sick leave. Tak is just a question mark word. Here the employee, instead of answering the boss's question, he is guessing maybe his colleague is taking a sick leave. Partly maybe he has seen the colleague on the previous day, seemingly unwell, or heard another colleague say that the person was not well, meaning he has some idea or knowledge beforehand. Or even just as a plain guess. Aduh, siapa nak buat kerja dia ni? Aduh, siapa nak buat kerja dia ni? Gosh, who will take over his work? Aduh means gosh. Sometimes when we feel a sudden pain or acute pain, we also shout aduh. Here the usage of aduh is more like out of frustration or being annoyed. Siapa means who, nak buat means wants to do or will take over. Kerja dia, his work. Ni or ini means this. Let's repeat the dialogue twice. Kenapa Ali tak datang hari ni? Jangan-jangan dia ambil MC tak? Aduh, siapa nak buat kerja dia ni? Kenapa Ali tak datang hari ni? Jangan-jangan dia ambil MC tak? Aduh, siapa nak buat kerja dia ni? Now, let's practice the dialogue. As usual, you go first. 1, 2, 3, mula. Jangan-jangan dia ambil MC tak? Okay, bagus. Good. Now it is my turn. Kenapa Ali tak datang hari ni? Aduh, siapa nak buat kerja dia ni? Alright, let's check out the second dialogue. Kenapa Lisa senyum sorang-sorang? Kenapa Lisa senyum sorang-sorang? Why is Lisa smiling like a fool? Kenapa means why. Lisa, a female name. Senyum means to smile. Sorang-sorang is a colloquial word to mean alone or by himself or by herself. The phrase senyum sorang-sorang means having a dreamy smile, smiling like a fool, thinking about something. Jangan-jangan dia jatuh cinta tak? Jangan-jangan dia jatuh cinta tak? Perhaps she has fallen in love? Jangan-jangan means perhaps, dia means she, jatuh to fell down, cinta to love, jatuh cinta to fall in love, tak is just a question mark word. Dengan siapa? Dengan siapa? With who? Dengan means with, siapa, who. I will repeat the whole dialogue twice. Kenapa Lisa senyum sorang-sorang? Jangan-jangan dia jatuh cinta tak? Dengan siapa? Kenapa Lisa senyum sorang-sorang? Jangan-jangan dia jatuh cinta tak? Dengan siapa? Now it is time to practice. As usual, you go first. 1, 2, 3, mula. Jangan-jangan dia jatuh cinta tak? Sangat bagus. Very good. My turn is up. Kenapa Lisa senyum sorang-sorang? Dengan siapa? Before we move to the third dialogue, a quick cry for help. You know what? This world is full with good people. Agree? Good people, orang baik. Good people helps each other, right? Don't forget to help your favorite channel to grow by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Off we go to the third dialogue. Apa bunyi bising tu? Apa bunyi bising tu? What's that noise? Apa means what? Bunyi means sound. Bising means noisy. Bunyi bising means noise. And tu or itu means that. Now A is asking his friend of the commotion that he is hearing or seeing, or even not seeing, just hearing. Maybe they live in an apartment and the neighbor is noisy. Then B replies, Jangan-jangan JDT menang tak? Jangan-jangan JDT menang tak? Perhaps JDT has won? Jangan-jangan, perhaps, JDT is a football club from my state, Johor, and currently is the strongest team in the league. Yay! Menang means to win, and tak is a question mark word. And then A asks his friend, Betul ke? Betul ke? Really? Betul means correct. Betul means correct. Ke with a question mark is used in a yes or no kind of question. So, betul ke means, is that true? Now, I will repeat the whole dialogue twice. Apa bunyi bising tu? Jangan-jangan JDT menang tak? Betul ke? Apa bunyi bising tu? Jangan-jangan JDT menang tak? Betul ke? Alright, let's practice. You first. Mula. Jangan-jangan JDT menang tak? Now it's my turn. Apa bunyi bising tu? Betul ke? And now the last and the final dialogue for today's lesson. Kenapa murah sangat durian ni? Kenapa murah sangat durian ni? Why is this durian so cheap? Kenapa? Why? Murah? Cheap? Sangat? Very? So? To? Durian? The fruit durian? Ni or ini? This. Murah sangat means so cheap, like ridiculously cheap. You can change the order of the words to be sangat murah, means very cheap, but it has no equal emphasis as in murah sangat. Jangan-jangan dah busuk tak? Jangan-jangan dah busuk tak? Perhaps it's rotten. Jangan-jangan, perhaps, dah or sudah means already. Busuk or busuk means rotten or smelly. Tak with a question mark is a question mark word. Here the friend is assuming, although from the outside, the durian looks okay. Probably the ridiculously cheap price might mean something else. Something fishy is going on with the offer. Sebab itulah dia jual murah sangat kot. Sebab itulah dia jual murah sangat kot. That's why he sold it so cheap, I guess. Sebab means reason, to or itu, that. La is used as an emphasis for the phrase sebab tu. Jual means to sell. Murah, cheap. Sangat, very, so. Kot is used as a guess. Then A replied to B's assumption with more guesswork. Let's repeat the whole dialogue twice. Kenapa murah sangat durian ni? Jangan-jangan dah busuk tak? Sebab itulah dia jual murah sangat kot. Kenapa murah sangat durian ni? Jangan-jangan dah busuk tak? Sebab itulah dia jual murah sangat kot. Okay, our final practice for the day. You first. 1, 2, 3, mula. Jangan-jangan dah busuk tak? Bagus, bagus. Good, good. Now it's my turn. Kenapa murah sangat durian ni? Sebab itulah dia jual murah sangat kot. Whoa, 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 what a long lesson. Thank you for watching until the end. That's the spirit. I hope this lesson will be very useful for you. Okay, don't forget, to those who wants to practice your Malay with me, go to this new link to get all the juicy details. Link 3/ilearnmalay. You can click the link here in the description or in the comment. Baiklah, alright. This marks the end of today's lesson. Until next time, terima kasih sangat-sangat dan sampai jumpa lagi.